Hello everyone. This one is second part of mole fractions video. Okay. In this video I'll discuss about that mole fraction numerical, how to approach that mole fraction numerical. So before going this example or numericals, I will discuss about that how to find out number of moles or moles. Okay. So moles, have to find out the number of moles equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. This is a main thing. Number of moles equal to given mass divided by molar mass. Okay, this one. So number of moles equal to given mass divided by molecular mass or molar mass. This is formula. This formula needed here. Okay. So this question is, calculate the mole fraction of ethylene glycol in a solution containing 20% of ethylene glycol by mass. Okay, 20%, then 20% of ethylene glycol, here 20%, then solution, in solution 20%, this is 20% ethylene glycol is there. That means what? So suppose this is total solution is 100 gram. Okay, let me assume, or this one assume that we have, so assume that we have 100 gram of solution. Okay, 100 gram. And ethylene, how much? Ethylene is 20 gram. Ethylene is 20 gram. This one is ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol, how much? 20 gram out of 100. Now this rest of 80 gram is what? 80 gram is, this is water. The 18 gram is water. The 20 gram is ethylene glycol and 80 gram is water. Now first of all I have to find out molar mass. So what is the molar mass of what is the molar mass of ethylene glycol? Molar mass of ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol. The molar mass of ethylene glycol, then how to find out? Then C2H6O2. This is formula. The molar mass of ethylene glycol, this is glycol formula. Now how to find out molar mass? See, 2 of, that means how many carbon? Here 2 carbon. Then what is the atomic mass of carbon? The atomic mass of carbon is 12 plus 6 into, then what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? 1 plus 2 into, and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Now this one is 24, 6 plus 32 equal to, and how much? 62 gram per mole. So how much? Molar mass of ethylene glycol is 62 gram per mole. Okay, 62. Now moles have to find out number of moles. This formula have to apply. Number of moles equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. Okay, so given mass, the number of moles. Here I have to find out the number of moles of ethylene glycol, C2H6O2. Here given mass how much? In questions is 20%, that means 20 gram. So 20 gram, here you can write 20 gram, and molecular mass 62 gram per mole. Okay, this one. So this gram cancel, and this one you will cancel. You will get this value is 0.322 mole. Okay, 0.322 mole. This one is number of moles of ethylene glycol. So similarly you can find out that number of moles of water. So number of moles of water. The number of moles of water, how much? Water is this given mass. Given mass how much? This is, if ethylene glycol is 20 gram, then rest of water, then 80 gram, and molar mass of water, then molar mass of water, actually water is what, see, molar mass of water, no, then H2O, so 2 into 1 plus 1 into 16, that means 18, so 18 gram per mole. Now this gram cancel, this one divided by this one, then you will get 4.444 mole. Okay, this one, this is number of moles of water, this one, and number of moles of ethylene glycol is 0.322 mole. Now mole fraction, so what is the formula of mole fraction? Mole fraction formula, this one, mole fraction, then it is denoted by X, the mole fraction of ethylene glycol, C2H6O2 equal to, top side is ethylene glycol, that means number of moles of the component, and number of moles of the component is, first is ethylene glycol, the ethylene glycol number of moles, how much? This one is 0.322 mole, and downside is what? Downside is total number of moles of all the components. Here only two components, one is ethylene glycol, another one is water. So you can write here moles, number of moles of ethylene plus this one 4.444. okay, this is mole. Then answer, you will get this one, see, this one have to calculate by yourself. Then answer here, answer is direct answer 0.068. okay, this one is mole fraction, this mole cancel. So mole fraction of ethylene glycol is 0.068. okay, similarly, then mole fraction of water, same mole fraction of water, the number of moles of water, this one right top side 4.444 mole, divide by that one total number of moles of components, then this one is 0.322 plus 4.444, then this is mole, the mole cancel, and you will get 0.932. okay, this one first sum have to do, then this one divided by this down part. okay, this one. So like this have to find out that mole fraction of ethylene and mole fraction of water. okay, this one is very important for upcoming exams. First of all, I have to know that mole fraction formula and how to find out number of moles. okay, so thank you, and please subscribe my channel for upcoming videos.